Getting out in the yard again to prepare for spring. It will be here before we know it. And me and my neighbor, we put mulch on top of this. This was all just grass. And we put the mulch over it to deter more grass growing and to make the ground soft. And when I just do my foot like this, look at the dirt now. This is exciting. And this is our mulch, still from chip drop. Let me get started. So what do I have planned today? I'm gonna clean up some of these weeds around the next batch of turnip greens that are coming up that I planted in succession. These are collards right here, and I didn't know that it was going to get down really cold the other night, and look what happened to the collards on some. But they're still thriving out here, looking good. So weed and put down more mulch. We are completely done, and this is what it looks like now. Absolutely gorgeous. I have an issue though that hopefully somebody will be able to help me figure out. Why is it that my Brussels sprouts are growing, but when they get to this point they start blooming out? They no longer stay hard. Somebody come in and tell me what's going on. All cleaned up.